So I am here on a bustling lunch hour, or the start of a bustling lunch hour on a Tuesday afternoon, checking out Velofox displays. Now, I would describe the company as a wolf in sheep's clothing, despite the fact that they went with the name Fox for their company name. But this was started by industry veterans with almost 20 years under their belt. And it was only started in 2020, so it's fairly recent. But despite all of that, they still have big names, big contracts, a lot of lumber to swing within the industry. It's not hard to see why, because they pretty much came out of the gate with an amazing product, great quality, good turnaround. I mean, they really know their stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look.
My name is Hongming, and I'm with Velofox, working as a sales manager. I've been working here since 2024, and March is just less than 3 months till now. The favorite thing about Velofox is everyone here was nice, and we have a good environment, colleague environmental. We're doing HMIs like displays and remotes for the e-bike. HMI is like a human-machine interface, and when you're riding an e-bike, you need to get engaged with your vehicle or your bike system, and you need a display or remote to do that. That is the HMI. Actually, the founding team of the Velofox was the former colleagues of Leo, and for example, like our technical director Evan, and our administrative director Yuki, and our manufacturing director Baron, and there's one senior engineer, software engineer, Mr. Pan, and that's the founding team of the Velofox, and also they are all the Leo's former colleagues. They worked together for many years. It's called the model name of the first product is called DMO3. So actually, you can see many similar products in the industry, but our DMO3 is the first version. It has a very compact design. It's small, integrated buttons with displays, and it's easily to be operated in one thumb or one finger. It's very convenient, especially when you ride in the bikes.
So this is saltwater testing. They have all the remotes and displays inside of this chamber being blasted with salt water for days on end. Good for folks who live next to the coast, which is actually a fairly large section of humanity, come to think of it.
For now, we would like to connect to the bike brands, because our core business for now is still HMI, and you need to deal with bike brands for your business. But for the conversion case, I just mentioned to you like this. Oh, sorry. We will focus on the end users and the customers, because the purpose of this conversion case is for the end users to change their bikes into an e-bike with our case. So we don't necessarily have to connect to a bike brand for that part. And many of our customers, like bike brands, ask us to do their logos on the displays, and also the silk screen, even the silk screens on the housing, they have those requirements. Yeah, IPX we normally have our products IPX6. And but the best of our ability can do IPX7. That's for the waterproofness. And also our products comply with the code EN15194, which is the European standards for the e-bikes. So even though Velofox is not a very big group with like hundreds of people, but we have all the talented people here in the e-bike industry. And even though we start just from 2020, but we have the richest experience in the e-bike industry with more than 15 years. So what we can do is offer you the best displays and the best solutions.
So check this out. We're here at Velofox Displays, and I'm going to do a really cool shot that I've wanted to do for years, but now I finally get the chance. We are going to follow the build process of one of these parts. So the finished part is going to be a display that goes onto a bike, but we're going to start from the very base form, which in this case is actually a button. the button is going to start by getting its little O-ring put onto it, and we're going to follow it as it goes to the clamshell, the PCB board, testing, gluing it together, sealing the glue, testing it again, that sort of stuff. So we're going to follow it. So we're going to start right here with this little itty bitty button. Not sure if hopefully you can see that pretty clearly. This button's going to go on the clamshell. Go from there. So here we go. Here we have the finished product.
And this one is actually when you ride the bike with our conversion kits, we have this display. But the main difference is the buttons of this display separate with two buttons here.
Interesting.
That one was on the side of the display.
Right, this one's flush.
This one is flat.
On that side, and you have a plus over here and a minus over there.
Yeah,
interesting.
This is for the road bike. You know, the road bike with a bended, the handlebar.
Right.
You can put this at the handlebar.
Right, and this can be easily customized.
Yes.
Because it's just on there with a little rubber band, so you could put this on any part of the bars.
Yes, any part you like.
Fascinating.
And this is also our star product, which is our DMO6, big screen, vertical. 3.5 inches and high resolution. You can see the display here is really good. And this is, you can see the battery information through this page. And the data analysis, biological analysis, when you connect this to like a smart helmet or heart rate belt, and you can read those data here.
That's a pretty big display. That's bigger than my phone.
Really? It's 3.5 inch.
Yeah, that's bigger than my phone.
Yeah. Oh, this is your phone. That would be bigger. So if you have an iPhone, I don't think it will be bigger than the iPhone. Yeah. Okay. So now we are focusing on the second. So the second generation is about, the IoT is very popular nowadays. And we have these IoT applications integrated in our HMI, which allows our products to be connected in the network with so many things, like a helmet, your phone, your app, and many things you can imagine. And that's what we are trying to achieve in our second generations of products in the Velofox. So HMI will still be our core business, but we are trying to expand our business to like conversion kits for the e-bike. And this is like a boat battery for the e-bike, and you can just change your traditional bike into an e-bike with our conversional kits. That is what we're trying to do some system integration service for our customers. So the Velofox is just like maybe it's not big and with not many people. It's just like a small guy walking down the sun or the moon, but the shadow of Velofox can be very big and long. You can follow us on our website, www.velo-fox.com, or you can just send us emails to info@velo-fox.com.
So I have had a blast checking out Velofox displays. You can check out a link to their site in the description below and possibly a contact email. Otherwise, you can check out this playlist to watch the other videos that I filmed while I'm here in China. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on later.